Hey, welcome to our Corel Draw tips and tricks. Okay, so in this video, people will try to do something like this. It might be something like this online. So for you to do this, it's very simple, very easy. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your text tool. Click on your text tool, you just press F8. Okay, then click on a blank place, then type your D. Select the D. I use bookmark alt here. So bookmark alt was just here. Okay, so make it bold, or you just click on your word in bold here. So you can use this to adjust the D, okay, or to just increase the size from here. Okay, so or you can just drag it, or you just type in what you want, name resist files and whatever, so you have it very large. And so this is my D. I drag it up and have it like this. So the first thing I need to do is to go and add a shape outline to it. So click on my outline pen, click on it, then outline pen, correct. Then on that width, I'll click on it and I'll click maybe 3px. Then the color is black with it, but if I want it to more darker, just take it down, okay? Then click on OK. So you have it like this. For me to take off the black fill color here, this is the fill color. Then outside the border, the edge is called the shape out. So for me to take off the color inside here, I'll just go down to this and click on it. The shape fill is gone. You can still add it, you see? You can still add it. So let me just take it off. Alright. So the next thing I'll do now is to go to my rectangle tool. Click on my rectangle tool and draw. Okay, just take it to the right, to the left, anyhow. I can just drop it up. Thus, it's down. Okay, so you have it like this, is in the center. So what you need to do next is to go down this place. That's what we call Smart Fill tool. Okay, so you click on Smart Fill tool. You select the color you want to use. Okay, if you want to use red color, you click on red, and you have red color here. If you want to use another color, you click on it and you have this color here. So that's not what you want. You want to use black color. So you take it down, you have black color ready, then you click on here and you click on here. So you have two different segments here. Okay, this is the first part and this is the other part. So you click on here, you right click on it, take it behind. Okay, take it behind. So let me see, back one, yes. Click on it, then click on this, the D. You see, you can just take this one out from the ending here. So you just click on it. That's your left click and drag. Okay, to take it off. Then click on your what and press on your delete and the keyboard. Press on it. It will go. So what I'll do next is to reduce this one. Okay. I reduce it, and I can take it up a little. Yes. So here let me just take off the column here. Let me just remove the color. Before removing the color, let me just add the shape outline. So I'll go down here, shape outline. Yeah, which color? Then just make it black color. Then the width of it, and 3px. So it's okay. So apart from that, I click on here and I also click on here. So I'll take this one off and I'll click on here, take it off. So this I have to duplicate it, Control D, and I'll adjust it downward. Okay. Then I'll also adjust this back. And so I have it like this. So the next thing I'll do now is to select this and check this. Combine objects into a single curve object with a single fill and outline. That's two elements together. So you just click on it. Wow. The same thing to the other one. You just click from outside, you drag and select it. Then you click on your weld tool here. Alright? Now, that's the first part. You select everything and make it black color. So you have this very easy. very easy. So the next thing is to write down here. So you click write down here. Alright, you take it up to this edge here, then you open it. So you have down here. So you see, it's pretty simple and there's nothing else. You can do this to other text, okay? Just like what you want to do for C, you still go here, type C, then open it, choose a font type that you want to use, and with this, you can make it bold and use it. Adjust it to the sides, and to go under your shape outline, you click on your shape pad outline. It's black color already, so you can click on here. Or let's make it another color. Let's make it black, blue color. So somehow like this. There, all this. That's it. Okay, and the shape outline. So I can see the shape fill out now. You see. So the next thing I want to know is just draw this here by doing double wheel. Yeah, in European. So, and after that, I still use a shape outline here. Shape outline, I can use here my color picker to get the same color that I use with our point. So I click on it, and I click here. So this is what I have for now. So I'll go back to here, my smart field tool. Then the color on the smart field, I'll still maintain the same color. Now click on here, and I'll click on here. So right click, order, back one, there. Click on the C, take it off. So you can adjust this, maybe to this length, then take this one upward, Ctrl D, take this one, done. Okay, so let's see if they're in the same range. Okay, so you see you have to adjust this one a bit. So take this one downward, take this one downwards. We'll get it. Okay, upward, sorry. So you select, repeat the same thing, weld it together, and repeat the same thing here, weld it together. So you have something like this, you select, you maintain the same color here, you have it done. Then you put maybe, let's see, alright, so very good. And select the color you want to use, and something like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Okay? Thanks. See you in our next video.